The law of life is to be your true, authentic self. Life's most important law is the law of love. In the grand scheme of life, the law of karma never fails. The law of life is change, embrace it and grow. Life's law is simple, you reap what you sow. The law of life is the law of belief. The only constant in life is the law of impermanence. Life's law is the pursuit of happiness. In the book of life, the law of kindness reigns supreme. The law of life is to make each day a masterpiece. Life's law, what you think, you become. In the symphony of life, the law of harmony is key. The law of life is to find purpose and passion. Life's law, live in the moment, for it is all we have. The law of life is to strive for personal growth. Life's law, success is a result of hard work and perseverance. The law of life is to forgive and let go. In the journey of life, the law of exploration is paramount. Life's law, embrace diversity and unity. The law of life is to be grateful for every moment. Life's law, your attitude determines your altitude. In the symphony of life, the law of balance is key. The law of life is to learn from your experiences. Life's law, you have the power to shape your destiny. In the grand scheme of life, the law of patience is invaluable. The law of life is to embrace the unknown with courage. Life's law, every challenge is an opportunity for growth. In the book of life, the law of self-discovery is paramount. The law of life is to be kind, always. Life's ultimate law, you are the author of your story.